wanna know why.
Morning mga ka-momentum! We are now here at Novaliches, Quezon City. We're with May, Jen, and the guapoging, nag-iisang poging-pogi na artist. Nice, may pa-serious moment siya. Ano yan, May? Sabog. Sabog. Kasi alas 4 kami umalis guys ng Batangas. Anyway, so this is our wall naggagawan for today's video. And if you might ask, what is this room? This room is for our clients' kids. Yan. Nursery area, playroom, and everything. So, you will see guys kung paano gumawa ng mga design for kids. Okay? So, panoorin nyo tong vlog na to. Baka sakali meron kayo matutunan. Charot. So, ayan. You will see in this area kung ano po yung design natin. Okay? Yes, this is for kids, but we will assure you guys na quality po ang ating mural painting. And anyway, we want to thank Ma'am Rose for trusting us to do mural painting in this room. And aside from that, mga ka-momentum, lalagyan din po natin ito and ito and ito. Actually, the whole area. But we are just looking for the design. And later, papropose po namin kay ma'am. But for the meantime, we will do this one. Alright? So, panoorin at baka merong matutunan ang mga newbie artist. Okay? Anyway, so yan. Yan. And before ko din to, guys.
Nakita niyo ba yung kakarapan?
Yan. Yun lang. I'll see you later. So, mga ka-momentum, this is going to be our second, third, fourth wall. Alright? At nakikita niyo po later kung ano po yung gagawin natin dito na designs for nursery room. So, yan. Okay, pa-L siya, guys. Then, ito na po sila. Nag-i-start na po mag-background nitong ating first wall. But this is the second and third wall. Let's see kung malalagyan to later kasi may mga gamit siya. So, ayan mga ka-momentum. I'll see you later. Bye-bye! Alright guys, binabackground na po ito ni Jen. Ay, sa bag ko. Itong wall po na ito. Yan. Nakakatuwa mga ka-momentum, no? Kasi yung client natin, si Ma'am Rose, is pinapadesign niya po ito because it's the room of her kids, mga anak po ni ma'am, ni sir. Nakakatuwa lang kasi parang may mga, nakakatuwa yung mga parents na nagpo-provide para sa kanilang mga anak. Imagine, ang laki nitong room, guys. This is just their playroom, study room. Alam niyo yun? Ganun kasi yung dream namin ni Mahal na pag nagkaanak kami, kakapag-provide kami ng area, space for them. Ano? Ano yan, Mahal? Pinapangaralan ko yung mga ka-momentum eh. Kasi siya, guys, nag-i-sketch po siya dito sa kabilang part. So, ayun. Ano ka? Nakain ng hopya. Binigyan ko siya ng hopya kasi mahal ko siya. Yeah. Actually, sila din. Ayaw lang nitong isa na to. Ayun. As what I'm saying, mga ka-momentum, it's, parang for me, masarap sa pakiramdam na nakakita kami ng mga client na talagang nag-e-effort pagandahin yung certain spaces on their houses or in their rooms for their kids. Kasi hindi po lahat ng parents ganyan ang mindset. Diba? So, nakaka-proud na talagang nag-e-exert sila ng effort, extra mile for their kids. And I'm just so proud of them. And I want to be like them. Parang sila po yung papangarapin namin maging pag kami po ni Mahal ay naging mga magulang na din, mga parents. Kasi I've seen a lot of parents that is not a provider on their kids. And I'm so sad to see those parents na hindi nagpo-provide for their kids and they are not taking a good care for their kids. So seeing these clients na nag-exert ng extra mile for their kids, nakaka-proud. So ayun, gusto lang po namin sabihin na nakaka-proud po ito, Ma'am Rose. And alam niyo ba guys, sobrang excited si Ma'am sa design. Sobrang excited siya na gawin namin ito. So we will not disappoint you, Ma'am. We will do our best to beautify these 3 walls. And kung papalagyan pa to guys, malalaman po natin mamaya. So ayan. Ayan lang, 'di ba? Masarap sa pakiramdam na pag yung mga anak natin nagdalaga, nagbinata, ang maaalala nila is, oh, yung parents ko nag-provide for me, ba, inalagaan ako. Hindi yung, ay, mama at papa ko. Wala lang. Anyway, let's continue this. May mga ano lang yan, mga simple realization ko habang ako'y nagba-vlog. Anyway, let's do it.
Be your first but the last one. I'm not good to be your life. I just wanna know if I tell you something. Baby, I'm still thinking about you. If I tell you something. Baby, I'm still thinking about you.
Momentum, we are now doing the sketch in this wall because as you'll remember, we are done doing the background color, the base color. So kanina, di ba, ano yan, kulay ganyan. Yan. Ngayon, medyo nag-yellowish na siya. Hindi nyo na makita yung difference in ano, no, sa camera. Pero in person, mas yellow po ito. Ayan yan, tulad niyang kulay na yan. Yellow. Anyway, our artist Jen is now doing the sketch for this wall. And later, you will see kung ano po yung design natin dito. And in this area naman po, yan, nagawa na po si Sir Jess. Sir Jess. si mahal ko. Yan. Ng design, diba? It's so beautiful. Even it's nursery design. It's for nursery room, diba? Hindi siya parang, alam mo yun, binasta lang na painting, diba? So, ayan. Ang taray nung ano ha, ng isang bata ha, purple yung kanyang buhok. Yan. So, yan. Nakikita nyo din po kung ano yung kabuuan nitong design dito sa area na ito. But,
madaming ganyan.
you know, that's our work in progress as of almost afternoon na ata, 1 p.m. something like that. So, ayan. And thank you din po pala sa lunch, Ma'am Rose. Thank you so much po. Yan. Ito po yan, yung mga land natin guys is, ayan. Dinoble po yan nila May kanina. May talaga gusto ko yung May. Ayoko ng May. Yan. So, ganito po ka-quality yung paintings natin, even if it's for the room of the kids, diba? Hindi siya parang binasta painting lang. Alam niyo yun? Yan. Ito yung quality niya. Iba kasi kapag ano we are doing murals with purpose. Alam mo yun? Ang purpose is to first satisfy our clients, and then second, of course, how we will do that? To provide mural painting, diba? Magagawa natin yun if we provide quality mural painting, and that's what we're doing here at Momentum Art Gallery. Yan. So, we want to always execute the best mural that we can. Diba, mahal? Oh, that's our mission. vision, turning your ideas into reality. Yan. So, ito yung kabuuan ng wall. Makikita natin mamaya, guys. Ang cute nga eh. Ito pa lang yan, ah. Diba? It's so cute. It's so pretty. Quality. Diba? Ganyan kasi dapat. Anyway, balikan ko kayo later pag marami-rami na po tayong nagawa. Alright? Bye muna. Yung smile ng bata. Yan o. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang cute. Naka-blush on na. Naka-highlighter pa yung bata. Dito na tayo sa next. Yan. Ay, mamaya na ulit. Muulan, guys. It's been raining. Thank you, sis.
You were there when I was here, falling like tears. You say you came. You don't have to pretend that you want me, 'cause you don't care. I don't need friends near you. If I tell you something, I can live without you, but I always say that I don't want to, 'cause I'm really stuck all about you. I deny it, but I really like you.
Thank you, ma'am. Merienda kami, guys. Bago tayo mag-move forward dito sa wall na to, may merienda. Okay. Bigyan na natin sa kanila, baka magalit. Man. Whip. Now watch me whip. Watch me, Nini.
Baby, wanna be you, wanna know why. I'm not being your first, but the last one. I'm not good to be your life. I just wanna know if I tell you something. Baby, I'm still thinking about you. If I tell you something. Baby, I'm still thinking about you. 어느 날 그대와 함께한 시간들, 햇살 속에 반짝이는 그대의 미소, 눈을 감아도 떠오르는 그 순간, 우리의 발자국은 영원히 남아. 달콤한 추억 그대와 나, 시간이 멈춘 듯한 그날들, 그리움 속에 피어나는 사랑, 우리의 마음속에 영원히 남아. 어느 날 그대와 함께한 시간들, 햇살 속에 반짝이는 그대의 미소, 눈을 감아도 떠오르는 그 순간, 우리의 발자국은 영원히 남아. 달콤한 추억 그대